Did you know you can record your home missing teeth in only 24 hours? Yes, here in Benito Studio it is possible. If you or anyone in your family or any friend of you have missed the whole teeth in his or her mouth, this video is for you guys. If this one is your case, or this one is your case, or this one is your case, or this one is your case, you can recover your missing teeth in only 24 hours with the nearest studio in Colombia. Yes, there exists an amazing treatment that we call all-on-4, and then you can recover your missing teeth in only 24 hours. I'm gonna explain you what our dentists do for you to recover your missing teeth. Let's go. Well guys, here an x-ray of a person who has missed all her teeth in her mouth. As you can see here, the green line on the top, that line shows us the maxillary sinus. What is the maxillary sinus? It's a channel that we have here where we breathe. So in this case, we have two options. We can do a surgery just to lift the maxillary sinus, or get this treatment, this all-on-4, putting the implants with this inclination, like this here, just avoiding to touch the maxillary sinus that you can see on the top. On the bottom, we have another restriction. As you can see, this yellow line, it is a nerve that our surgeons must avoid to touch. As you can see, the implants on the bottom, they have another inclination like this. All right, I'm gonna show you guys pictures of the before and the after of some of these treatments. Look at guys, this patient here didn't have any tooth in her mouth. It was the treatment, it was the all-on-4 surgery. As you can see here, the simulation of the implants, they look like this, and the results are these ones. Let me show you another case, just with a temporary prosthesis, because remember, when you get this treatment, you have to be here in Colombia during 10 days at least, and then you will get temporary dentures, and then you have to come back to Colombia in 6 months to get the permanent dentures. Let's see the case. And here guys, as you can see, our patient had only 2 teeth and some rest of root here on the bottom, no more. So our surgeon must pull these teeth here and remove the rest of root that this patient had. And look at the results, guys. This is the after with a temporary dentures. Remember, you can go home with a temporary dentures, but screw it, a permanent, but it's gonna be a temporary. If when the surgeon is screwing the implant, and the machine shows that this implant is getting in for more than 35 newtons, right? If it means that the quality of the bone is pretty good. So it means you can get a temporary dentures screwed, right? But when the surgeon is screwing the implant and this implant gets in less than 35 newtons, it means that you have to go home with a removable dentures, right? Because the quality of the bone doesn't let us to screw the temporary dentures. So I'm gonna explain you guys how it's gonna be the treatment for you, and how many days, and the prices and everything. Let's go. And here, this is a dentures. Look at the perfection. Look at here the beams, the color of the gums. It looks beautiful. It looks like a natural teeth. So guys, you can recover all your missing teeth, and you can bite again. You can recover your dental function, recovering at the same time your confidence with yourself. Guys, for this treatment, our recommendation, you have to stay here at least 10 days. We recommend to have an appointment or a consultation with our medical doctor, with our anesthesiologist just to check if you can be or you can get a general anesthesia during this proceeding, just to avoid any pain, because it's a little bit hard, you know. On the other hand, after this, we recommend to get a pain bomb, just to, you know, to don't feel any pain after this proceeding, you know. And for us, it's gonna be easier when we are screwing the temporary dentures, because, you know, it could be a little bit uncomfortable for the patient and for our dentist when they are screwing these dentures. What about the price? It costs 16,000 USD. In the US and Germany and other countries, it can cost you like 60,000, 50,000 USD. Here in Colombia, it is only 16,000, including the anesthesia. Guys, if you want to come to Colombia, we offer you the best, especially with the highest experience in Colombia and in the world. For this kind of treatment, guys, you will be welcome here in Veneers Studio, Colombia. Well, guys, remember, you have to be here in Colombia during 10 days at least. We recommend 15 days. Before to proceed with this treatment, you have to be checked for our internal lesson, for our medical doctor, plus our anesthesiologist, just to check your system conditions, and if you can get this treatment or not, if you can get general anesthesia for this treatment. And after that, we will proceed with the treatment. We recommend to get a pain bomb after the surgery, just to avoid the pain. It works 100%. Our patients recommend this because the treatment is very hard. Remember the price, 16,000 USD, which is a really nice price. It includes the implant, the surgeries, you know, the temporary dentures, plus the permanent dentures. Remember, if you want to get any consultation with us, our specialist will be able to talk to you at any time. Remember, Veneers Studio, Colombia.